What if I told you that you can build a fully functional Android app with AI in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'm going to show you how I built this complete AI news app using Google AI Studio, installed it on my phone, and even got access to the full source code. So first, go to Google AI Studio, and on the left side, click on Build. Here, as you can see, there's this section called Build Your Ideas with Gemini. From here, click on Android App Tap to start creating your application. Now, you actually have two different ways to begin your project. The first option is using Google Stitch, where you create your user interface first and then export the design.md file to Google AI Studio. The second option is to start directly inside Google AI Studio, which is what I'm going to do in this video because it's much faster and simpler. So now I'm going to paste my prompt and ask Gemini to build my Android AI news app. After that, I just click on Build and let Gemini handle everything. And by the way, if you want the full prompt I used for this application, just write Android prompt in the comments and I will send it to you. Now Gemini starts generating the app. The first thing it asks me is whether I want to select or skip this design, so I'm going to click on Select Design. The process takes a few minutes, so while it's building, let me know in the comments what kind of app you want me to build next. It can be a mobile app, desktop software, or even a full web application. And if you find this tutorial helpful so far, don't forget to like and share the video because it really helps the channel. All right, the building process is now finished and our application is fully functional. What you see here is actually a virtual Android device running directly inside the browser, which is honestly really impressive. As you can see, everything works perfectly. The categories, articles, menu, and even the dark theme toggle are already functional without me writing any code manually. What's even crazier is that Firebase authentication is already integrated into the application, so users can sign up using their Google account. They can also save articles, bookmark content, and use many other features directly inside the app. And the best part is that you can continue adding even more features whenever you want. Literally, just describe what you have in mind, and Gemini can build it for you in minutes. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a complete virtual mobile device, which means you can fully test your application before publishing it to the Play Store or installing it on your real device. So now, let's install the app on my Samsung phone. To do that, you just need to connect your device with a USB cable, enable developer options and USB debugging mode, and then click on Install. The installation process takes a few minutes. And there we go. As you can see, the app is now installed on my device and it works really smoothly. The design looks clean, the animations are fluid, and honestly, the dark theme looks amazing. Now, if you want to download the APK file directly, there is another method you can use. Just search for Assistant for Android on the Play Store and install it on your phone. Inside the app, go to the Backup section, search for the name of your application, and click Backup again. After that, you will find the APK file saved in your phone storage inside the Studio Android folder. And for those who use Android Studio like me, Google AI Studio also gives you access to the full source code. Just click on Code and download the project as a zip file. Then you can import it into Android Studio, export the APK or AAB files, upload the app to the Play Store, or even continue editing and adding more advanced features to your project. But honestly, it's really amazing to see what Google AI Studio is capable of now. The fact that you can build full Android applications with AI in just a few minutes is kind of insane. So definitely go try it yourself and start building some apps. That's all for this video, but before I go, if you also want to build websites, apps, and more using AI, check out my video about this free AI agent coder. It's the tool I personally use every day, and the best thing is that it's completely free. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.